Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start oleander. Second cardiac poison, oleander. Other name, Nerium or Cannel. Then features, this is cardiac poison. There are two types of flower, white oleander, yellow oleander. White oleander is called pink Cannel or yellow oleander is called pila Cannel. The white oleander is called Nerium odorum and yellow oleander is Cerbera thewisia. Then difference between white and yellow oleander. A species white oleander Nerium odorum, yellow oleander Cerbera thewisia. Active principle white oleander nerin or nerifollin. Yellow oleander thevetin, thevetoxin or cerberin. Fatal dose white oleander 15 to 20 gram of root and 5 to 15 leaves. But in yellow oleander 15 to 20 gram of root, 5 to 10 leaves, 8 to 10 seeds, 4 gram bark. Then fatal period in white oleander 24 to 36 hours, in yellow oleander 2 to 3 hours. Uses white oleander to treat skin disease, snake bite and dysmenorrhea and as a abortifacient. Yellow oleander root and seeds for criminal abortion, abortifacient. This is pink oleander or white oleander. This is yellow oleander. This is the fruit of yellow oleander and this is the seed of yellow oleander. Then mechanism of action, inhibition of sodium potassium ATPase. सोडियम पोटेशियम एंड एटीपीएज को इनहिबिट करेगा ये. देन क्लिनिकल फीचर बाय कॉन्टैक्ट डर्मेटाइटिस, बाय इनहेलेशन नोजिया, हेडेक, डिजीनेस, रेस्टलेसनेस, रेस्पिरेटरी डिफिकल्टी. बाय इंजेक्शन डिफिकल्टी इन swallowing, abdominal pain, vomiting, profuse frothy salivation. Pulse is first slow then later rapid, low blood pressure, arterial and ventricular fibrillation, AV block, coma and respiratory failure. Initially there occurs twitching of muscles of the upper limb followed by the tetanoid convulsion affecting all muscles of the body including the lockjaw. पहले ट्यूचिंग होगा अपर लिम्ब के मसल में, फिर टेटनॉइड कन्वर्जन, देन अफेक्टिंग ऑल द मसल्स ऑफ द बॉडी इंक्लूडिंग लॉकजॉ. ECG changes, long PR interval, short and depressed ST segment, absence of P wave, inverted or flattened T wave. Then cause of death, cardiac failure. Treatment, ABCD, then gastric lavage with big solution of KMNO4 or tannic acid, 1 mg atropine, 2 ml adrenaline, 2 mg noradrenaline, IV or infusion. IV sodium molar solution and 5% dextrose to correct shock, barbiturate to control convulsion, injection morphine may be helpful or symptomatic treatment. Then postmortem finding, non-specific finding. Leaves may be found in the stomach. Petechial hemorrhage heart is the characteristic feature. This is a petechial hemorrhage. All internal organs are congested. Nerium odorum resists heat and can be detected even from the burnt remains of the dead body. Nerium odorum resists heat and can be detected even from the burnt remains of the dead body. Then Cerbera odolum or Davar or Dhakur, seen in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, popularly known as suicide tree. Green fruit resembles an unripe mango taken by the women for committing suicide and accidentally by the children. Cerbera odolum. इसका फ्रूट मैंगो जैसा है. Medically important, suicidal poison common, accidental less common, homicidal uncommon, as abortifacient, as cattle poison, as aphrodisiac, used to treat venereal disease, cancerous growth, and to reduce swelling. Then important question of digitalis poisoning. Which one is not a cardiac poison? Tobacco, cerbera, digitalis, and cannabis. Cannabis is a deliriant. Which is not related to digitalis poisoning? It is a cardiac poison. सही है. Obtained from the digitalis purpura, having no odor but bitter taste. ये भी सही है. Short PR interval and prolonged QT interval. Prolonged PR interval होता है इसमें and short QT interval. Then important question of oleander poisoning. Heat resistant poison is Nerium odorum, yellow oleander, aconite, all of the above. The following is not a cardiac poison: tobacco, digitalis purpura, Cerbera thebacea, or calabar bean. This is all about oleander. This is very important both for viva and theory. Okay, thank you for watching.